Hi guys, Jessica Johnson here, and I'm very excited to demonstrate for you today how to use our incredible product, my 3-in-1 hybrid face oil. So here we go. First thing you want to do is take 4 to 6 pumps of the oil in the palm of your hand. See that? A nice ample amount of oil. Take the oil and you're going to massage the oil all over your face and the upper portion of your neck. Now notice I'm wearing a full face of makeup, okay? I'm going to start by just starting to break down my foundation and the outer portion of my skin and my neck. Evenly disperse it, okay? Now watch this. You can quickly and effectively dissolve all your eye makeup. I call this panda eyes. Ready? You're going to take the oil and like a windshield wiper motion, see that? You're going to break down. This is an all-natural formula. Don't worry about a little of it getting in your eye. It's totally fine. Break. See that? That's what you're looking for, okay? Massage, massage. So you really want to melt away all your eye makeup around your face, and that's it. Now, take one of our organic bamboo washcloths. This is pre-moistened with warm water, and you're going to very gently wipe all your makeup off. Watch this. Very gently. Wipes perfectly clean. Cleanse, second step, 4 to 6 pumps. Massage this again all over your face, upper part of the neck. Now this is a step where I want you to take a little bit of time, take a few deep breaths, and get in touch with your skin and how beautiful it is. Massage is one of our #1 tools we have for beautiful glowing skin. Forget all those expensive gadgets. Your hands are the best tools in the world for your skin. And I want you to take some time to just slowly make some circular motions around the eyes, around your cheeks, around your mouth. The product is scented with lemongrass, sage, and citrus. So take a few deep breaths. That aromatherapy is very, very relaxing and healing. Now you're going to moisten your fingertips, okay? And very slowly add a little bit of water to the oil. And as you can see that? It starts to break down into a sheer milky emulsion. It turns into a light, milky cleanser. See that? Any little extra eye makeup that may have not lifted off, finish that. Now, with very mild lukewarm water, rinse like a normal cleanser. Rinse well. Going to take my towel. Now, as a professional esthetician for 30 years, one of the key things we learn in skincare, is double cleansing. When at night, what I just demonstrated for you is a classic double cleansing approach. That is the key to healthy skin. Removing all the dirt and oil and makeup first, double cleansing then a second time. And this product is specially formulated to serve both purposes. Now, you have a choice. We sell the products like a set, which is great. They're meant to be used together. However, if you don't use our spray serum, you can then go ahead right now, take 1 or 2 pumps, apply this to your face, and you're done. That's it. No eye cream, no serums, no this, no that. This has turmeric, calendula, and it's a proprietary 6-blend oil. It will completely absorb while you're asleep, okay? However, what we recommend that you use this with our T3 Hydroactive Spray Serum. This is loaded with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. All you need to do is simply close your eyes and spritz the serum. See how it's nice and moist and dewy? All over the skin. This is a great product. Those $100 serums that you're buying, this replaces that. This gives you hyaluronic acid, this gives you peptides, and it also gets you powerful antioxidants. It has grape stem cell extract and pomegranate seed extract. So it's really, really intense with the antioxidants. My skin, as you can see, is dewy and moist. Back to the oil. 1 or 2 pumps. I like 2 because I'm slightly on the drier side. That's about the amount you want. You're going to then massage this oil right over the serum. Let me let you in on a little secret. Guess what a cream is? A cream is an emulsion of water and oil. That's what a cream is. You are essentially creating all the key factors of a cream right on your skin with both of these products. You are mixing a watery based liquid with an oil, and the effect is like a nice rich cream. You can massage your neck. Don't neglect working on your neck when you're cleansing your skin. That's so important. Every night you want to start to get into the habit of really treating your neck along with your face, because your eye area and your neck, and then next your hands, they show aging first. That's it. I'm ready for bed. Thanks for joining me.